Welcome to another edition of the Story Behind the Car. We're at Dino's Get Down, and hey, it's Tom Gallagher, and this is an amazing truck. It's a 1967 Chevy C10 pickup, and the owner is Rod Parsons, and Rod is here, except his voice is shot. He's been talking about his truck so much. Plus, he really didn't want to be on the camera, he said. But we're at Dino's Get Down. This is a top 100 pick, as you see right here, and this is an amazing truck. It's carbon fiber, and the information on this truck, I'll list it below. There's just so much to cover on this truck. And as far as this truck is concerned, really there's nothing from the original C10 67 body. It's totally fabricated. There you can see the battery disconnect, or not disconnect, but the battery so you can jump it. It is a race truck, and as I mentioned, it's carbon fiber, so everything on this is custom one-off build, and it is just crazy. That even the tailgate looks like it's original C10 tailgate, but it's one-off built, and you can see the carbon fiber there, the roll cage. This is just crazy. So I just was lucky enough to shoot it. And I said, is unfortunately the owner, his voice is shot, but he's standing here with his wife, and he's like, yeah, you can shoot it, but I don't want to be on camera, and I don't want to talk. Check out the wheels and tires. And then the engine. So the engine is 850 horsepower engine. And it's a, if I remember correctly, 434 V8. And the grill, I mean, just hours and hours and hours spent scanning and building and fabricating the firewall. Everything is carbon fiber, as you can see. So this is just crazy, crazy cool. And I'll list all of the information below, as well as a link to their website. And he's traveled across the country and shown this at so many shows, and everywhere he shows it, it just it's stupid as far as the people that want to see it. And I mean, look at that center console. I mean, just crazy. The door handles, everything is one-off, custom build, and just an amazing build. Talk about a dream come true for. There's a team. So I'll leave all the information below. Thanks again for watching, and catch you on the next one.